what you want to say to God, but open your mouth and just give him all the praise. Open your mouth and give him all the worship. Can we worship the Lord? Somebody open your mouth and love Jesus for the gift of life, for the gift of righteousness, for salvation, for peace of mind. Can you open your mouth and worship Jesus? Make sure your eyes are closer. Make sure you are communicating with Abba. He's right here with us. Rebecca Nadesaya, Erada Paladesaya, Eko Papa Desa, Saladesa. Holy Ghost, we've come before you, the maker of the universe, the giver of salvation, the giver of purity. Jesus, somebody bless the name of the Lord. Open your mouth and worship God. Communicate with Jesus, the maker of mankind. Yes, Baba de Sekoteya. Yes, Yade Saraba. The maker of me, the one who has formed me, the one who has created me, the one who has been keeping me from January, some past February, some in the February. This month, I am here today because of God's mercy. It's not unfaithful, not that I'm too righteous. Somebody bless it. Do we have great people in the house? Jesus. They are kings. They are kings. If you know the song, just raise your voice and sing with me. They are mountains and they are only majestic, only Yeshua will reign. Can we all sing together? Open your mouth, let's sing together this evening. Oh, they are kings. They are kingdoms and their mountains and thrones. We'll reign forever. There is no shortcut. You can't play games with Jesus. He's the way, the truth, and the life. He's the way, the truth, and the life. Open your mouth and just begin to Lord, Jesus, I'm before you. May I never go back on the same. You are the way, the truth, and the life. Together, cause sing it. No other God. There's no other God but you. Can we all declare with confidence? There's no other God but you. Jesus is the way. You are the way, the truth, and life. No other God but you. No other God but you. No other God. Praise it. Jesus, can we all in this room lift our hands to Jesus, to the maker of the universe? Can you lift your hands and with your eyes closed, communicate with our open your mouth and begin to thank him. You've done too much for me. Where would I be if not for you, Jesus? Make sure you are communicating with Jesus. Make sure you are saying something to Abba. Somebody open your mouth and bless the name of the Lord. Bless the name of the Lord. It's all about this. See how far you brought me. I'm so glad you found. Do we know the song? Can we sing together? See how far you brought me. See how far you brought me. When I look back at my life, I see what you did with me. Yeah, you picked me up from. I'm a woman, but you found me, Caesar. Oh, so follow this. that song. See how far you brought me. Can we all sing together? Raise your voice. Yes, yes,